Today we have a little bit of a different video because I have hair mail and I have a brand new wig in here that I'm going to unbox with you. It is a wig that I have already reviewed, but this is a new one for me because my other one's getting a little bit worn out. It's the wig that I love to wear for pickleball, and we're actually getting ready to leave to play, and I'm thinking I might want to wear my new one today. And this is ESTETICA Preston, and this is in the color 4-6. So let's unbox this together and see what you think. Unboxing wigs is always fun, and it's really a style that I just think is so pretty, and it's versatile. It's a style that you can dress up, you can dress it down. It's kind of a casual style, but I just think it's so pretty, and I can't wait to share it with you if you've never seen it before. And I am wearing ESTETICA Jet in 2-4. So this is 4-6, so just a little bit lighter. And we have a rainy, overcast, cold day here today. But like I said, we're getting ready to go play pickleball, but we're playing indoors. So I don't know that you're going to get the best lighting to see the colors, but I'll try to show you a little later in the video. But let's go ahead and take this out of the hairnet. And to me, why I wanted to wear Jet to start the video off is because to me, Preston looks like I just grew my pixie out. And I reviewed Jet on my very first video on YouTube. So down in the description box below, I will leave a link to this review if you'd like to see my review of Jet. Preston was one of the first ones I reviewed, and it was actually one of my very first wigs. Preston was actually my first wig that was not a pixie. So that's something kind of neat about Preston for me. Oh, these pretty waves in it. See, this looks very different than the Preston that I have right now. In fact, I brought my current Preston, and you're going to see that there is a difference in the waves because, you know, I've worn mine a lot. But yeah, these fibers just feel, you know, a lot softer than mine do now. Here's my old one, and you can see the difference. See the difference? This is my old one and this is my new one. You can see the difference in the waves in it. And this is a little shinier, more dull. So I do know that ESTETICA caps run big on me. So I'm going to go ahead, and I've got a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I'm going to take these pull adjusters and I am going to pull them all the way in to where they are in the same little slot with each other. And you know, when you love a wig, you make adjustments as you need to, right? And I really do love this wig. So I'm going to shake it out by the nape. You always want to shake it by the nape, never by the lace. Just feels very nice. Okay. And now I'm going to take Jet off. And let's put Preston on. See what you think. It has these messy curls, and when I put it on, it might look a little crazy, but stick with me. Make sure your ear tabs are nice and even. Yeah, I think this will be going on the pickleball court with me today. Isn't this fun though? Let me spray it with some water. Hold on. But while I am spraying this down, let me thank TL Wigs for sending me my new ESTETICA Preston. And if you like what you see today, you can go down in the description box below. I'm going to leave you a link, and if you use the code Andy35, you're going to be able to save 35% on Preston. And don't forget to join the TL Wigs Facebook support group, where there's over 4,000 members on there that are there to answer any questions you might have and be a support to you as you are on your own wig journey. So we hope to see you there. And on Preston, the fibers are regular synthetic. So you will not have to worry about ever taking heat to this to keep the ends nice and smooth. Let me give you a quick spin here and let you see this cute style. We have a 7-inch bang. We also have a crown of 7 inches. We've got sides at 4 3/4 and a nape that is very much to me like a pixie nape. You know, it's kind of flat and it's 3 inches. So I just really, really like the nape on this. You can get a little fullness, but there is minimal, if any, permatease in Preston. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of wig wax in my new Preston here. And then I'm just going to scrunch those waves a little bit. But this is a very unstructured wave pattern on Preston, as you can see. But it's layered, it's got some razored ends to it, just a little bit of an edgy look to it. So I just have a little thin headband, and there you go. But it does have a really pretty extended lace front, very well done. And this also has a large monofilament top that runs from here to here and all the way back to here. So in this whole area up here, you've got hand tying. So if you like more of a defined wave, this might not be the wig for you, because this is just a fun style with these kind of a unstructured wave pattern. And you know, like I said, I'm 21 1/4 head circumference, but I have my adjusters cinched all the way in, and I've got my wig grip on, and this fits me really nicely. It's very, very comfortable. This color, this is 4-6, and this is a medium brown mixed with a chestnut brown. So let me get in a little closer, and hopefully you can get a good look at this pretty brunette. So if you're interested in getting yourself an ESTETICA Preston, you can use that link down in the description box below. That'll take you directly over to tlwigs.com, and you can use the code Andy35 and it'll save you 35%. Okay, we're off to play some mixed doubles and pickleball. I'll see you in the next video.